fins. Is this tighter or looser?
It's supposed to be looser. I don't think it's the number of fins. I think it's the angle of the fins.
It's not the size of the boat. It's the motion of the ocean.
How do torque converters work? Nobody knows. It's like magnets. How does the posse on a Plymouth work? We're changing the stator. The converter we have now, if we absolutely had to leave it, we could have. We just want one that's a hair looser. See if we can get it to spool a little bit faster and leave a little bit harder, just so we can dip into the 1-teen 60-foot 1.1-ish. If we can do that, it'll make up a lot of ET. We still have more RPM on the two-step to throw at it and more boost too, so we'll see if this works. Great. If not, then back to the drawing board. But this is from our friends over at Circle D with their bolt together converter. So instead of us having to send it to them to where they cut, weld it, they gave us a bolt together so that way we can service it ourselves. So main thing is, once we know which one works on a well prepped track, then that's what will probably stay in the car. But we'll probably try out a couple options just so if the track isn't ever optimal, we have one that might need to be a little bit looser or a little bit tighter. We can adjust at the track if we needed to.
Talk to it like you're changing its diaper.
No, I already do enough of that. You're gonna make a mess and then I'm gonna get yelled at, and she's just like...
And peas everywhere.
Yeah, I don't change very many poop diapers.
Bad father alert?
No. Just lucky father alert.
Wow.
Wow. Got nothing nice.
Richie's like,
let daddy try.
We're gonna break these pizzas. God damn.
Bruh. I know. It's a lot of pressure.
What if we do it like,
Just pop a hole in it.
yeah. Watch your eyes. I guess we're just weak as fuck. A little snap on.
Yep.
Lifetime warranty. Dale.
I can get it.
Parachute's in the trunk.
Yeah, fuel's in there. Pull enough out of the back of the truck so we can pick up the trailer. Why? No.
Can I stay with you? You put in your IBS medicine, Levi? What are you doing?
change your plugs again?
These plugs are like a woman. They're temperamental. You hit them a couple times, they don't like it. Brian.
Have your engage?
Yes.
What is it? What happened?
Fucking engage.
Oh, Richard, you fixed it. You're so cute.
Okay.
Brian.
People got a kick out of that one, didn't they?
They love it. It's on the soundboard.
No way.
Yeah, we have it so it's on the button. It's like, Brian. Brian.
What the fuck was that guy doing? Trying to give himself a self-drunk test? The fuck?
God damn it.
Well, that stator works.
Bro, that bitch went 121, 60, 512 at 126 coasting.
Bro.
He coasted through the 8th.
¿Viste que se la levantó? He kept going with it?
Yeah. They planted the power. It'll take more, too.
Bro. That bitch is fucking moving. I saw where you try to get back into it, then you're like, nah, I'm better not.
Yeah, like when it left, it was in the air.
Yeah, it was on the air and I rode it for a little bit.
I think you tried to like maybe steer it while it was up there. When it came down, it fucking danced.
It came down and then I missed it, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just let it go. It was still ran a 5.1 and let it off.
Yeah, 5.1 at 126.
It just sounds so fucking nasty. When it hits the rev limiter, I'm like, oh my god. I grabbed the scramble too, and then I was like, fuck. Yeah, I was gonna go back into it, but I was like, nah, fuck it. It probably still would have been a 7 something.
Yeah.
We'll let it cool down. If I ate that rev limiter a little bit.
You shifted after it hit the limiter. So if you want, like, once you do your burnout weight, roll through.
That's what I was trying to do, but you got in the way.
No, don't worry about me.
I
Hit me.
Brian.
That way, when you back up, I put you straight because the car's gonna ride the wheels. Like, yeah, you didn't try shifting until after
Like
you hit the
9600.
limiter.
Yeah.
Until after you hit the
Yeah.
I can't run with ice.
She can't run with ice.
I often run from ice. Alright, I'll just wait to grab the scramble until we hit second.
Fuck that. Hit it off the gate.
I have to like try to shift and steer.
Fuck that. Hit that bitch.
Although tell you I hit it.
Yeah, he did. You fucking crazy maniac. You hit it at
The front wheels are still in the air.
7,700 RPM. He thought that was a shift button.
It'd be nice. Can we wire that? First one's a shift, the second one's a scramble. You
That was your 739 path.
think so? Fine, we're gonna go 717 right now. And then we're gonna load up and be like, alright, let's go home.
If you go 7-1 tonight, I'm not coming into work tomorrow.
That doesn't have anything to do with it.
See you tomorrow, boss.
Now it's pulling up the front because we don't got that heavy ass hood on here.
I might have been better with
Threw off the
it.
weight.
Might have been better with it. Fuck.
Can you see better?
Dude, this thing, I'm about to put some projectors or something. I can't see shit out this fucking thing,
they
bro.
suck.
Like, there's no light.
Did you even turn on the fog lights?
I turned on the fogs, I turned on everything. Is this one fucking windshield tinted?
I was looking at that. I
It
think
is?
so.
Bro, take that shit. Fuck, I'm about to just buy a whole new set because this thing fucking jumped.
That's what it is. And then these suck already.
Dark as fuck.
Le pongo esto así?
I felt like Jamie Foxx in that Clan blue suit. He's like, I can't see shit out this thing.
Damn, I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
We're gonna put a fucking light bar down there.
Yeah? If it wasn't so fucking heavy.
Yeah, my bar and fucking tilt mirrors.
I want, give me a light inside at least. That would be nice. I think I shifted too early. I don't know how much. I mean, it still went quick, but
Seemed like you shifted like, yeah.
it did a 118. It's so nasty.
You didn't use the shoot.
I didn't think I went that fast. It felt quick, but it didn't feel like nasty. So I knew that I shifted early, so that's on me. But that would have been a nasty pass had I shifted good.
What did they say the 60-foot was?
118.
That's one piece of the puzzle.
No, it's good. It's just I just shifted a little early still, but it still went 780 at 182. So the 60's there, but since I shifted early, everything else suffered. Like my whole mindset was shift, shift, shift. Like from when I fucking turned the car on to after the burnout, I was like, okay, we have to shift. Main focus is shift. Maybe it's too loose now.
I think this converter is either too tight or fucking, like it's fine down low.
But up top it's just
Yeah. It's just,
maybe because I grabbed the scramble that went lean.
I mean, see what John says.
Maybe you put that piece in backwards.
There's no way.
Like, even him shifting it like that, that converter shouldn't do that. It slipped right through it. Either slipped through it or to me it seems like it just chugged the fucking motor down.
What if the canister's full?
It don't matter. How's the fluid? You look underneath and see, make sure you ain't leaking anything out of the little vent. That's usually why I overfill it and then fucking let it drain on its own. Tying it till it strips and then a quarter.
That bitch is deep.
Is it?
Yeah.
You got it, Jack?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nope. Whatever you do, don't.
No.
Straight, no.
I want some wine.
Hey, $100 to whoever drinks some.
Fuck that. That's a free trip to the ER.
Why? It'd be well lubricated.
That's what I did. I hit 77. It's too early. There's only like this much space between it. Wait. Like it's not allowed.
Use the force.
I tried the first time and it worked.
First time, I forgot to even grab the trans brake. Bro, this buff, and then when you left, the fucking wheels went up in the air, but they were locked because the brakes were on. I was like, this guy not grab the trans brake?
We need a headset that way you can tell me, all right, it's good.
My dad's got a Mason Ferguson. This bitch can't fucking die. Let the bitch sit for fucking 2 years at a time. Old ass diesel and their fucking lights right up.
Did you see that the whistling diesel guy trying to find his dad's Bobcat? Yeah, bro. It's like been on a mission trying to fucking find this Bobcat that they stole 15 years ago. No shit. Yeah.
Yeah, to wrestle that car, we gotta get rid of the electric steering rack. It's just so fucking sensitive.
It still seems like it's not.
Yeah, but I actually heard a shift this time.
Yeah. To me, it sounds like it just flatlines up high.
Yeah, it does. Right after the shift, it kind of laid over for a little bit and then took off.
Yeah. I could bet you, like, when it's moving around, this fool's probably, like, doing this number, you know? Not like... But, hey, it's fucking flying now.
It's gotta go a little bit straighter.
Yeah. Mile an hour is fucking there.
What do we get over here?
Watch out. 21.
What the fuck is that? Open the hood.
Jesus. There you go, Rick. It feels like it just flatlines.
Felt good? It felt all right. That's the new best for the car, right?
Yeah. It's like fucking, like real finicky, right?
Yeah. Did it ride the wheels a little bit or no?
Actually, it tightened up a little more.
186?
Did you grab the scramble?
I mean, it was there, right?
You did?
You don't want me to do it?
Oh, you know, shit. Yeah.
I pay for the motor. I'm gonna get all the motors. I'm gonna get all the passes out this bitch that I can. I wonder what I shifted at. It took everything I had to not shift it even earlier because I'm like, don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Because immediately when you launch it, it wants to go, but then it settles down and then it gives you the true reading. And I'm like, fuck. I probably still shifted early. John says 9,300 out the back means he went like 200.
The track didn't read it.
No. Stayed in it.
No.
Because I told him to drive. I did.
Yeah.
I told him like drive through the chute, but like you gotta pull the chute right before you pass the traps.
I was wondering, I was like, Jesus, why is it still going?
Chute hits though, huh? You gotta like hold the fucking
Yeah, you gotta hold it because it wants to jump lanes.
Yeah.
We need a wing.
Lock this arm.
We need a carbon fiber longer wing. I'm gonna take the door off and make it a wing like a fucking Megazord.
I'm telling you, fucking Randy's fixed it with the wing.
Yeah, that's race car though. This is daily.
Yeah.
I'm going to Dairy Queen just after. We're going to Waffle House. Build my own slang.
All the way there in first gear.
I'll forget to shift again.
I didn't see 8,000. This thing should fucking, when it shifts,
It should drop.
it should drop barely and then start climbing.
Yeah.
Right here.
John said it went to 85. I didn't give it 85.
I mean, you gave it 83, 82.
I mean, that's my best pass that I've ever done.
Yeah, you grabbed the scramble way up top. You grabbed the scramble at 130 miles an hour, like right before.
That's whenever we heard it take off.
Right before the 8.
Whatever the scramble is, make that all the time, and then set 5 more on the scramble.
Henry Ford says not to rev it past 8.
My little pony.
Unless you want to go 195.
Hits it anyways.
It's like, hey, that thing you told me not to do.
I did it.
Doubting me right now?
I just want like a 17. I just want it to be the fastest car you've done yet.
This bitch is gonna fucking roll.
Mom, come pick me up. I'm scared. Pineapple's my safe word.
You boys like Mexico?